these blocks? They are all alike. On some sides they're all red, and on some sides they're all white. And on some sides they're half red and half white. Watch me put these blocks together to look like this picture. Now you make the blocks look like this picture. Work as fast as you can and tell me when you're finished. Go ahead. Now make the blocks look just like this picture. Work as fast as you can and tell me when you're finished. Go ahead.
Finish.
Now make the blocks look just like this picture. Work as fast as you can and tell me when you're finished. Go ahead.
Finish.
Now make the blocks look just like this picture. Work as fast as you can and tell me when you're finished. Go ahead.
Finish.
Now make the blocks look just like this picture. Work as fast as you can and tell me when you're finished. Go ahead.
Finish.
Now make the blocks look just like this picture. Work as fast as you can and tell me when you're finished. Go ahead.
Finish.
Alright, let's move on. Now I'm going to say two words and ask you how they are alike. In what way are 2 and 7 alike? How are they the same?
They're both numbers.
That's right. 2 and 7 are both numbers. Let's try another one. In what way are a horse and a tiger alike?
They're both animals.
In what way are a piano and a drum alike?
They're both instruments.
In what way are a boat and an automobile alike?
They're both vehicles.
In what way are a nose and a tongue alike?
They're both parts of the body.
Tell me more.
On how they're alike.
Tell me more.
They're both used for senses.
In what way are food and gasoline alike?
They both fuel.
In what way are a badge and a crown alike?
They can be worn.
Tell me more.
You can use them to identify.
In what way are a bud and a baby alike?
Size.
In what way are music and a tide alike? And tides alike?
They both float.
In what way are a poem and a statue alike?
They're written.
In what way are an anchor and a fence alike?
They're both heavy.
In what way are wish and expect alike? In what way are wish and expect alike?
Um, they're both. You can see both of them.
Alright, let's move on. Now I'm going to say some numbers. Listen carefully. I can only say them one time. When I'm through, I want you to say them back to me in the same order. Just say what I say. 97,
97,
63,
63,
582,
582,
694,
694,
7286,
7286,
6439,
6439,
42731,
42731,
75836,
75836,
392487,
352487,
619473,
619483,
Alright, let's move on. Now I'm gonna say some more numbers, but this time when I stop, I want you to say the numbers backwards. If I say 71, what would you say?
17,
That's right. 34,
43,
31,
13,
24,
42,
46,
64,
57,
75,
629,
926,
475,
574,
8279,
9782,
4968,
8469,
Now I'm going to say some more numbers. After I say them, I want you to tell me the numbers in order, starting from the lowest number. If I say 2, 3, 1, what would you say?
1, 2, 3.
That's right. 5, 2, 2.
2, 2, 5.
1, 2.
1, 2.
4, 2.
2, 4.
3, 1, 6.
1, 3, 6.
0, 9, 4.
0, 4, 9.
8, 7, 9, 2.
2, 7, 8, 9.
4, 8, 7, 1.
4, 7, 8.
2, 6, 9, 1, 7.
2, 6, 7, 9.
3, 8, 3. 5, 8.
3, 3. 4, 8.
Look at this picture. You will choose which one of these goes here. The right answer will work going across and going down. You should only look across and down to find your answer. Do not look diagonally. Which one goes here? Which one here goes here?
5.
That's right. When you go across the top, the blue star changes to the yellow circle. This means that when you go across the bottom, row, the blue star should change into the yellow circle too. When you go down the first column, the boxes have the same shape and the same color, blue stars. This means that when you go down the second column, the boxes should have the same shape and same color, yellow circle. You get the same answer going across and going down. This is another kind of problem. The boxes are in order going across. The right answer will follow the order you see going across the other boxes. Which one here goes here?
4.
That's right. When you look across the boxes, you see that they go in order. Large circle, small circle, large circle, small circle, large circle. Then small circle goes here because it will go next. A small circle comes after the large circle as you go in order across the boxes. Which one here goes here?
5.
5, one here? Which one here goes here? Excuse me.
3,
Which one here goes here?
4,
Which one here goes here?
4,
Which one here goes here?
1,
Which one here goes here?
5,
Which one here goes here?
5,
Which one here goes here?
1,
Which one here goes here?
1,
Which one here goes here?
2,
Which one here goes here?
5,
Alright, let's move on. I'm going to say some words. Listen carefully and tell me what each word means. Apple,
fruit,
glove,
you put it on your hand.
tell me more.
It can be worn on a hand for purpose.
Breakfast,
A type of food typically eaten at a certain time of the day.
curious,
A thought that makes someone want to know more.
assemble.
To like gather things.
Consume.
To like receive.
Terminate.
To end.
Tranquil.
To put to sleep.
Tell me more.
Yeah, it can be used to put animals or people or things to sleep for a period of time.
Ponder.
To sit for a while.
Reluctant.
To like not process information.
Now I'm going to read you some problems. Listen carefully. You can only ask me to read them to you, to read each problem one more time. Lou has 6 baseballs. He loses 3. How many baseballs does he have left?
3.
Now I'm going to say some problems. Listen carefully. You can only ask me to read each problem one more time. Lou has 6 baseballs. He loses 3. How many baseballs does he have left?
3.
That's right. Let's try some more. Remember, you can ask me to read the problem one more time. Lee has 4 blankets. He buys 4 more. How many blankets does he have altogether?
8.
Scott has 9 pens. He gives 4 to Jean. How many pens does Scott have left?
5.
Bill has 4 children and 20 toys. If each child gets an equal number of toys, how many should each child get?
5.
35 years old. Rob is 18 years old. How many years older is Sue than Rob?
8.
John has 28 books. He sells half of them to a used bookstore and gives 9 more away. How many books does he have left?
21.
Juan has 51 tickets. He gives 6 people 8 tickets. How many tickets does he have left?
6.
Look at these shapes. One of these shapes is the same as one of these shapes here. This shape is the same as this shape here. So I draw a line through it like this. Look at these shapes. This shape is the same as this shape here. So I draw a line through it like this. Now look at these shapes. In this case, neither one of these shapes here is the same as any of these shapes here. So I draw a line through the no box like this. If you see a shape over here that is the same as the shapes as one of these shapes, you draw a line through the shape. If you do not see a shape over here that is the same as these shapes over here, draw a line through the no box. Now you do these here. Go ahead. That's right. Now you know how to do them. When I say go, do these the same way. Start here, go in order, and don't skip any. Work as fast as you can without making any mistakes until I tell you to stop. When you finish the first page, go to the second page. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go. Stop, pencils down. Alright, now let's move on. Imagine that this picture is a puzzle. I'm going to choose 3 of these pieces that go together to make the puzzle. The 3 pieces should fit next to each other and not on top of each other. After I look at all the pieces, I choose 3 pieces. If I put them together in my mind, they would make the puzzle. Even though I could put 2 pieces together to look like the puzzle, I would not choose them because I have to make the puzzle from 3 pieces. Even though I could put 3 pieces together to look like the puzzle, even though I could put these 3 pieces together to look like the puzzle, I would not choose them because I would have to put this piece on top of this piece, and then put both pieces on top of this piece. I cannot stack the pieces to make them look like the puzzle. These 3 pieces are the only ones that fit next to each other to look like the puzzle. Now you try one. You may have to turn a piece in your mind to make it fit. Which 3 pieces go together to make this puzzle?
One, 3, and 6.
That's right. If you put these 3 pieces together, they will make the puzzle. You had to turn this one to make it fit. Let's try some more. Which of these 3 pieces go together to make this puzzle?
6, 5, and 3.
Which of these 3 pieces go together to make this puzzle?
1, 6, and 3.
Which of these 3 pieces fit together to make this puzzle?
2, 5, and 6.
Which of these 3 pieces fit together to make this puzzle?
1, 2, and 3.
Which of these 3 pieces fit together to make this puzzle?
2, 4, and 5.
Which of these 3 pieces fit together to make this puzzle?
5 and 3.
Let's move on. What is a thermometer used for?
They take temperatures.
How many seconds are there in 1 minute?
60.
Who was Martin Luther King Jr.?
Black activist, civil rights activist.
What is the imaginary line that divides the Earth into northern and southern halves?
The equator.
What is water made of?
H2O.
Who wrote Hamlet?
Shakespeare.
On what continent is Brazil?
Arizona.
Who was Cleopatra?
The queen.
Tell me more.
She was a queen in India.
Who was the president of the United States during the Civil War?
George Bush.
Look at these boxes. Each box has a number in the top part and a special mark in the bottom part. Each number has its own mark. Down here, the boxes have numbers in the top parts and are empty in the bottom parts. You can draw the mark that belongs in the empty box like this. Here's 6. The 6 has this mark. So I draw the mark in the box like this. Here is 8. The 8 has this mark. So I draw the mark in the box. Here is 3. The 3 has this mark. So I draw the mark in the box like this. Now you do these. Stop when you get to this line. Yes, now you know how to do them. When I say go, I want you to do these the same way. Start here, go in order, do not skip any. Work as fast as you can without making any mistakes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go.